Yeah, so I had this next signal. It was 84, really sharp signal. And I dug this hole, and here in the cloth you can see a beautiful discoloration. It's black and the rest of the soil is brown, so that might be the place where the find could be. So let's check it out together. Okay, so let's check it out. I was correct. It's right here at this black spot. The signal was 84, so let's check it out. What is this? Oh, it's a buckle. Look at this. With a piece of leather. It's not that old, but it is a buckle. There it is. Look at this. Beautiful little buckle.